Here, this is Maribel from Learning in Wonderland. I was popping by to show you how you can create your own pillows using a website like Vistaprint or Zazzle. And I used Zazzle, so I'm going to show you how to make your pillows using that website. So what I did is I went to Zazzle over here. And actually, before I continue, please know that if you intend to use my images that I created to make your pillows, they are only for personal use. So that means that you cannot sell them through Zazzle or any other website. They would just be for you in your classroom and not to be sold to anyone in any way. So we're going to go up here and you're going to search for pillows. And I use this one right here. It says create your own pillow. A 16 by 16 worked perfectly for my room. Now, the awesome thing about this is that you can print on both sides for free. So like it doesn't charge you any extra to do the back side of it. So I went ahead and did double designs so that I could just flip them over and have a different look on the couch. So once you're here, you're going to go ahead and add your image. Now mine are already uploaded, but if you are uploading for the first time, you're going to go up to my file where the images are going to be loose in there. You're going to choose the ones that you want to use, and you're just going to drag and drop in here. It'll upload for you, and then here is a preview of what it's going to look like. I ended up shrinking it a little bit just to leave a bit of a border around the square. So you just go down here to where it says scale, and then you just make it a little smaller. I shrunk it down twice, and the size ended up being really nice. If you prefer it a little bit bigger, just go ahead and scale it a little bit larger. If you want her a little bit smaller, you can go ahead and reduce her even more. So that's pretty much it. Then you're going to go and click over here on the back if you prefer to do a back image. I say if you're going to pay that same price anyway, you might as well have a back side to it. So it's like you have two pillows. And then I'm going to go ahead and add my image up here. And then, can't find my other image, but let's say you already uploaded this one. You're just going to go ahead and click it, go down here, and then I just reduced her again twice, and she's good to go. I'm going to go up here to done, and that's pretty much your pillow. So before you submit it or add it to your cart, you can edit it. So if you think that this looks a little too small, you can go ahead and edit here and make it a little bit bigger. Once you're done with that, you're going to go ahead and just add to your cart and check out. That's pretty much it. The price does seem a little bit high right now. I did go ahead and pay this price, but what I recommend doing is signing up and creating an account with Zazzle, and once in a while they'll send you coupons where you will be able to save a certain percentage off, so like 40 or 50%. And like yesterday, these pillows were on sale for 30% off. So obviously you can do it much cheaper than what I ended up doing. And then if you click up here on the main website, it'll even tell you like what items are on sale. So if you go up here, it might say pillows one day. So just check on that, and then you can save even more money that way. But that's pretty much it. That's all you do. You're just going to go ahead and add it to your cart. There you go. And then when you want to go ahead and add another pillow, I ended up just going up to pillows again. And then I just started from scratch for the next pillow. And that was pretty much it. So I'll go ahead and add the images to my shop so that you can go ahead and create them with my images if you would like to. But just please keep in mind that they are only for personal use. So these cannot be sold to anyone in any way, shape, or form. Thank you. Goodbye.